Bitwise operators are essential for manipulating data at the binary level, providing precise control over memory and performance. They are crucial in applications like compression algorithms, encryption systems, and hardware control. Python offers a user-friendly syntax to harness these powerful tools, making them accessible for developers aiming to optimize their code. Bitwise operators are crucial for optimizing performance by manipulating data at the bit level. They enable precise control over memory, essential for applications like compression, encryption, and error detection. Python's syntax makes these powerful tools accessible, allowing developers to harness the full potential of low-level operations efficiently. Every integer is stored as a binary string of ones and zeros. For instance, the decimal number 5 is represented as 0, B0101 in binary. Bitwise operators work directly on these binary representations, allowing logical operations bit by bit. Use Python's bin function to convert integers to binary, with 0b indicating a binary literal. Visualizing binary conversion is key to understanding bitwise operations. Consider decimal 60, which is 0011100 in binary, breaking down to 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4. Similarly, decimal 13 is 0000101, breaking down to 8 plus 4 plus 1. Each bit position represents a power of 2, crucial for mastering binary logic. Python's bitwise operators are crucial for binary data manipulation. The AND operator, AND, returns 1 if both bits are 1, while OR, returns 1 if either bit is 1. XOR, ANDs, returns 1 if bits differ. NOT, AND, inverts all bits. Left, AND, and right, AND, shifts move bits, filling with zeros or discarding overflow. The bitwise AND operator compares each bit of two numbers, returning 1 only if both bits are 1. For example, 60, 00111100, and 13, 00001101, results in 12, 00001100. This operation is crucial for tasks like masking specific bits, checking flags, or filtering data at the binary level.